one by one. Just give us a bit of a background as to who you are and what you do.
Hello po, I'm Edeline Gonzalvo, owner and founder of Indian Trends Apparel. So, business owner po ako and content creator. Yun po yung ginagawa ko.
Ano yung nauna?
Actually, online seller na ako way back 2014. So,
2014?
yeah, may nagsasabay ko yung pag-aaral ko yung pag-online selling that time.
Online selling ka walang video?
Walang video pa po.
Kasi post ng pictures lang bago ka
Inano ko lang yun, nakalimutan ko lang.
Sige, marami ka na share dito mamaya. Okay, kayo naman Sir Tommy.
Ako naman baliktad yung story. So I was for job tapos nag-entrepreneur na ako na content creator.
Wait, corporate mo. Corporate job.
And then sa extra time ko nag-content ako. Doon ako.
Wow! Pero yung content mo nung time na yun, business mo or completely different area? Oh, okay. And now you've managed to utilize your content for your
What?
It's important to have systems like that in place. Very in your case,
Can you see what it will between ours, the private and also the public, the members of the government? And I would like to invite you.
Dito kasi ako, kumano lang siya dito, tapos sumunod na kay Nani.
It's a very
Pila ko, doon pa.
Medyo matutuwa
Ayaw mo
ko
yan
kayo.
eh.
So I hope that you're together with the DTI and we will also be going through. It's online, self-paced, 32 hours, and you can do it during your most precious free time. Thank you po.